Morning, everybody. I'm going to show you how to use the loop turner. So the first thing you need to do is just clip off your little edge here. So it's like this. Turn it around so your seam is on your left side. Put your turner over, and there's this little latch right here. And about a 1/4 inch down, you're going to hook it into the material. So you have it like this. Okay, and then it'll close it. And then pull down your material. You might have to help it just a little. And then just pull. And then you have your pieces turned. And there you go.